Hey guys, I'm Kyle Anderson with the Going on Faith Conference. We're here in 2019 in Grand Rapids, Michigan at the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel. I'm here with Maggie Huckaby. She is from Florence, Kentucky in northern Kentucky, and she's with Rolling Hills Hospitality. How are you doing, Maggie?
I am doing really good today.
How's the conference been for you so far?
It's been great. I've gotten a lot of good networking opportunities, met a lot of very nice people.
Yeah, great. So, Maggie, why don't you go ahead and tell us about Rolling Hills Hospitality? What do you guys do? How many hotels do you guys have?
So we have 10 hotels in our portfolio, up from northern Ohio, north of Cincinnati, all the way down to Lexington, Kentucky. Right now we're representing 6 of our hotels that are along I-75. We are kind of a partner with the Art Encounter and Creation Museum, which their conference was today, this morning at breakfast.
Yeah, they sponsored breakfast.
Yep, we sponsored breakfast. So we have mostly Hilton hotels. We have La Quintas, Hyatt Places, though, as well, and Holiday Inn Expresses, all the way down through there. All of them have either been remodeled in 2019 or built within the last 2 years.
Yeah.
So all of them are brand new. At our hotels, we have usually free breakfast, free Wi-Fi, motor coach parking. We love our groups.
Yeah.
So we do a welcome reception for all of our groups.
Yeah.
No extra cost to them. So this Christmas, for the Christmas lights, we're doing Christmas cookies and hot chocolate and apple cider for our groups.
Yeah, so I know, obviously, being important in this group accessibility and having motor coach. You said you guys have access to motor coach parking, and I know being in northern Kentucky, it's outside Cincinnati, so that's probably the best spot to be Cincinnati. I mean, and that's 30 miles from the Arc, I think, at most. I think it's less than that, actually.
A little less than that. We have things ranging anywhere from 5 minutes to 25 minutes, 30 minutes from the Arc, or from Cincinnati, any of the destinations up there, the aquarium, the zoo, any of the museums around here. It's a great place to visit any time of year.
Yeah, so you guys are kind of in a great spat.
Yeah.
And Maggie, if people want to contact you to get a hotel room block, what's the best way to reach you?
Email, it's maggie.huckaby@hilton.com, or any of the direct hotels. You can just Google Florence Hotels and any.
Great. Thanks, Maggie.
Thank you.